Indigenous legal traditions historically were not taught in law schools. They were taught in community-based settings, and they were practiced and learned by being out on the land. So in order to engage with some Indigenous legal traditions, you need to leave the law school. So they had the chance to connect with a sense of learning that comes beyond an institution. Even just being in this cabin that smelled like pine really changed the group dynamic based on how we normally connect with each other inside the law school classroom.
One of the most important lessons I think we can learn from nature is harmony, that we have to be considerate of all the beings around us, not just the people, but the land itself, the creatures that live on that land. I think we've learned in recent years that we can no longer practice our legal studies without an awareness of what we're doing to the earth and land, and how specifically what we learn and what we witness from the land can inform our own actions and different kind of methodologies going forward.
Watching people use the canoes, and that was like a totally different layer of learning. Like, it's one thing to like read a book and see like Indigenous persons do this, or they learn from the land and do that, but actually like going through the processes that they might go through, I think it gives a different perspective, or it actually helps you understand better.
I think that if you're practicing Indigenous law, this class will allow you to have a deeper understanding into how Indigenous law is reflected and practiced by the land itself, how the land changes the law, like the seasons, like the leaves change colors, like water changes states. It's a living, breathing entity that's always transforming, and the land reflects that.